Then what? Bathi ke makupheli abe ngokuphila imoto bathi le sixolise into nonsense abasimukeli ngaxolisa futhi kubo mina ngikhuluma mina ngabantu aba mansonga who are offended and those people who felt I was typed. But emveni kwalokho kwenzakalana bathi ungizwe une dealership ayodwa anesivumelwano nayo ihafwe imoto oskin kushifting bathini bona bathu KFC uyafana bathi manginjalo bazoshisa wonke ama dealership yonke indawo bathi abona usibuza ku clicks. These people are boasting, these paras are boasting about destroying our economy. They are creating themselves as rebellious people of this country. Who can vote this nonsensical organization? If your mind is correct here, then you can give your vote to these others. You must be stupid. Any African man who can do that, not in my name, but practically. But that was uncalled for. It was uncalled for. Not everything you resolve with war, you revolt with violence. If we can be violence, I'm working overtime. The cause abantu, the sense of Malema selling. So good to me now again, Jesse, but as the beginning, halfway motor, says it Vigela, Nabantu, Namatila, no Jesse, Abanamatila, Jesse, Abazo Feluban, Beshiselo Uban. We don't have so much money that we can repay those people because these people are us. But to keep we are family. So, are you serious? They have invited you to tell you that they want to commit a crime in this country. Wafonela abafazi bami, my wives, abusing my wife and promising them money. Uguti abang betray them. Ngikhuluma ngabafazi bempepho mina ngikaniwe. Ngabafazi bempepho. Oyedwa wabo bepesha kwezilwane. Bazongisendela message. What there are different people that are calling me. I think they are plotting something against you. They are asking me a lot of questions. I don't want to be the part of that shit. So it shows brutality and arrogance and unleadership skills in Julius Malema is zero. Can you imagine this man can be woman tomorrow? Githiga mina ningizimu Afrika senko bantu bakababa bantu bamadlozi babamkhulu bantu balelizwe laseningizimu Afrika. Noma ngiphoqela umoto ajabula ngizomfana athi mina ngiyilutho ngiyinathile ngiyavuma Malema ngiyinathile